Hey, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, today in this video we are watching the beautiful PVC marble sheet designs. So for those who love the elegance and look of marble but at the same time do not have the budget to buy, it can considering installing marble sheet wall paneling. Apart from resembling marble, these sheets provide much more benefits than you think. So in this video we will be discussing the benefits of marble sheet wall paneling and how it can give your walls a marble like effect. So keep watching this video to know all the benefits and give your simple looking walls a marble like appearance. First benefit is the lightweight. One of the biggest benefits of installing marble sheet wall paneling is that they are much lighter than other walling materials. Apart from being much lighter, these sheets save a lot of your money as the transportation and installation process are much easier. So if you want the look of natural stone to improve the interior design and at the same time want a lightweight and budget friendly solution, you should definitely go for a marble sheets. Another benefit is environmentally friendly. When you are installing the marble sheet wall paneling, you are dealing with the eco-friendly walling solution. Yes, they are made of materials that they have minimal impact on the environment. So without worrying about the environmental damage, you can install these sheets in your home. And the most important benefit, it is budget friendly. One of the biggest reasons why many homeowners go for sheet wall paneling is that they are budget friendly. They will bring a marble like appearance and elegance to your home. However, they will not be as strong as durable as the natural stones. But if you are low on a low budget, you should considering installing these sheets. Apart from being budget friendly, these marble wall coverings can save a lot of your money. They can save a lot of your money on installing transportation and maintenance. So these are cost effective too. Another advantage is that when you when you want to install the sheets in an area that is a bit curved or unusual, these sheets can also be installed in those areas. So these marble sheets are flexible too and can be installed on any wall. Another important point is the versatile. As you might know, marble is known for its elegant look, unique colors and distinctive patterns. Not just with looks, these sheets can be installed in a variety of application areas, including facades, interior room walls, outdoors, etc. The part, the best part about this sheet is that they can be installed over a concrete or wooden substrate. So if you want to install marble sheet wall paneling in your home, you will get a versatile walling solution. So you can even incorporate different wall paneling ideas to spruce up your space. Another advantage, it is more durable. Like natural stone, these stone veneer panels are durable and can last for years to come. If properly installed and taken care of, these seats perform well and will help you achieve the desired marble look you want on your walls. Along with durability, this marble sheet will retain their color and appearance when they are exposed to different conditions. However, it is recommended to clean and maintain these sheets regularly to keep their beautiful look for appearance to come. Another advantage, it is easy to clean. The PVC panels flat and smooth surface makes them simple to clean. Simply wipe down or scrap any difficult to remove places with a cloth and some warm soapy water. Use a squeeze after using the bathtub or shower because you can put it in also bathroom also. You can use for living. Mostly it is used in living area where the TV stand.